How eerie is that?
Hello.
Oh my god, it's mental that it comes all the way from the beach. It's crazy. I'll have to message that woman and say, do you know what?